Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Michael's Market Monday, the second week of June here. Some things have settled out from last week. Some of the things we talked about last week, the copper markets and all that, kind of going along as expected. The ferrous markets, though, not so much. It didn't really play out like we thought it might last week. Of course, it was early. As we've gone into June, things have settled out, and it's not gone quite how we expected or how we wanted it. So there was a downturn. It was fairly significant. Some people as much as $50 a ton coming out of the market on, in particular, shred feed. So down the whole West Coast, there's a real issue with shred feed right now, and a lot of what's driving that, of course, it's the mill prices and the mill demand, but it's really a supply issue here on the West Coast. Really high supply, high inventories at a lot of the large yards. So we did see a big move down there. Some support in the secondary aluminum markets and all that, still holding. The copper and the copper spot market and the copper futures, a little disparity there, about 7 cents, but still holding in the 440 range on the future price. So, if we would have talked about that 2 years ago, we said that's awesome, right? A lot of people still expecting $5 copper coming down the road, but that's just not come to fruition. And so what we're dealing with is a little bit of trepidation in the copper markets. Again, people holding a lot of inventory. It's a little uncomfortable right now, but still looking forward to a good June. A lot of supply going on. Pretty busy here at Sutter Metals. I think a lot of that going towards the commercial markets. Some of the commercial real estate that's coming, being developed right now and being demolished is creating some scrap. So the ferrous supply has been pretty good here recently. So looking forward to a strong June. As usual, our focus is on box service and commercial accounts. If you are interested in switching, if you feel like we can add some value, please reach out. We'd love to hear from you, either Diana or myself. We'd be happy to discuss that with you. So looking forward to working with you here, and for all of you that are out just poking around, we hope you're doing well.